Are you ready to transform your skincare routine? Get ready to experience a skincare revolution like never before with the COSBEAUTY Skin Scrubber Face Spatula. This advanced skincare device is here to take your skincare game to the next level. Prepare to say goodbye to clogged pores, stubborn blackheads, and dull skin with high-frequency vibrations per second. The COSBEAUTY Skin Scrubber can dive deep into your pores, up to 3-5 mm deep, to banish impurities and dead skin cells, all while being gentle on your skin. But that's not all. This powerful device comes with adjustable modes to cater to your skin's unique needs. Use the peeling half mode to effectively remove blackheads and exfoliate. Want to infuse your skin with nutrients? Switch to the moist mode, and for that extra lift and firmness, there's the lift mode. The COSBEAUTY Skin Scrubber boasts a unique spatula design. Its ergonomic shape conforms to the contours of your face, ensuring a comfortable and effective skincare experience. The 165-degree angle aligns perfectly with your hand grip habit, making it incredibly easy to use. Worried about complicated operation? Don't be! This skin scrubber features a convenient timing function, automatically turning off after 10 minutes, and with an IP6 waterproof standard, it's safe to use in the bathroom or with your favorite liquid skincare products. Charging is a breeze with induction wireless charging. No more fumbling with cords. Just place it on the charger and you're good to go. Plus, using this device with an astringent facial toner will enhance its effectiveness. We know you'll love your COSBEAUTY Skin Scrubber, and that's why we offer a worry-free shopping experience. You'll enjoy a 12-month product guarantee from the purchase date, and our dedicated customer service team is always here to assist you. Choose the COSBEAUTY Skin Scrubber that matches your style, available in a stunning shade of red. It's time to revolutionize your skincare routine with the COSBEAUTY Skin Scrubber Face Spatula. Say hello to radiant, glowing skin. Don't wait. Make the change today.